So I thought we'd talk about magical belief today. I did a post on Instagram, some of you might have seen, and I feel like this winter period is very much an opportunity for study and reflection and thinking about our magical beliefs and attitudes and behaviours. And I do a lot of reflecting at this time of year. So I put a post up as well, because I know lots of other people are in that kind of reflective mood. And it was about magical belief in oneself. Now, we've covered the Witch's Pyramid, also known as the 4 Powers of the Sphinx, over on Patreon, which is basically the phrase to know, to will, to dare, to keep silent. And belief in oneself and one's magical ability comes under the know part of this phrase. When we have knowledge and we study and we have understanding of ourself and our craft, then we can really put our energy into the next part of that phrase when we are working on magic. So then we can move things into the will part, and it's our magical will and determination that see our magical workings and our spells and our magical projects through to completion. So it's really, really important we get the first bit right and we believe in ourselves. It's knowing that we can affect change. This is so, so important. So as I always sort of relay to people, if you take one spell, so write a spell, take that one spell and give it to this person, and take that spell and give it to the person next to them. The thing that's different is that person and the other person. We are the magical ingredient in our spells and workings. We are the thing that makes it happen. We are the magic, we're the fairy dust, if you like. Therefore, we are magical beings, and it's really, really important that we believe that. And when we believe in ourselves, when we have this magical belief, it really does make room for everything else. You have energy then to put into your spell work and to put into the work you're doing, and you leave energy for other things as well. If you spend time and energy doubting yourself, you're not really concentrating on what you're doing, what you're trying to achieve. So it's really, really important that this is something that we get to grips with. So the post I shared was, I believe in my magical ability. So if that is something that you find to be really difficult, I want you to get up and use that mantra every day. I believe in my magical ability, and use it until you believe in your magical ability. Honestly, we are all magical beings. We're all part of nature. And we are the magic in everything that we do.